I'm Buttercream. Today we're making double chocolate chip cookies. So let's take a break and bake. Today on Baking a Buttercream, our episode's part 2 to chocolate versus vanilla chocolate chip cookie. So if you haven't seen part 1 where we make the American classic chocolate chip cookie, there's a link up in the cards above. And then you can watch this video and learn how to make the double chocolate chip cookie. And at the end of this video, we'll see which one's better, the double chocolate chip cookie or the regular chocolate chip cookie. Now let's bake those double chocolate chip cookies. The ingredients that you're going to need are 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 2 cups of chocolate chips, 2 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt. Before we start baking, preheat the oven to 350. Let's cream together our butter and our sugar. Time to mix it up. Now that our sugar and butter are all mixed up together and it's all well combined, now let's add our vanilla and our eggs. Now we're gonna mix this up. Now that this is well combined, we're gonna add our dry ingredients into the other mixing bowl. Add your flour, your cocoa powder, your salt, and baking soda. Now you're just gonna mix this all together. Everything is all even. Now we can add this to our wet mixture. So we're just going to add in a little bit of this. Now you want to scrape down your sides to make sure that you get all that delicious dough. You don't want to waste a single bit of this. They see me rolling, they see me baking. This is what it should look like. Now it's time to make it even better. The double chocolate part with the chocolate chips. Now, you don't want to mix them because you don't want to hurt the chocolate chips. You want to hold them in with your spatula. So now we have all our chocolate chips mixed in really good. Let's start scooping them. Take your cookie scoop, scoop it, scrape it on the side. There you go. Now, we're going to go ahead and do that with the rest of our cookies. We do still have some dough left over, so you can either let someone eat it, or you can make a massive cookie. That's what I'm gonna do. I put them in there for 8 minutes, but everyone's oven is different. So put them in 8 minutes and then see how they turn out. Don't forget when you take your cookies out of the oven to let them cool for at least 10 to 20 minutes, maybe even more, just so that they have fully set and they aren't still gooey on the inside, unless you like them that way. Now that the cookies are made, it's time for the taste test to see which one's better, the chocolate chip cookie or the double chocolate chip cookie. These chocolate chip cookies are so amazing, a wonderful classic, and the double chocolate chip cookies are so good as well, with a spin-off, with adding more chocolate, making it even better. Or is it better? That's what this episode's all about, so let's have a little taste. So amazing. The chocolate chip cookie just melts right in your mouth, especially the chocolate chips. So good. You try this recipe for sure. Now let's try the double chocolate chip. This is amazing as well. Highly recommend both these recipes, but I have to give the original classic chocolate chip cookie the win. It's such a classic and it's just so good. I'm sorry, double chocolate chip cookie, but you lost this round. Thank you so much for watching this video of Baking and Buttercream. I hope you enjoyed the part 1 and part 2 and seeing which chocolate chip cookie is better. The double chocolate chip cookie was a close winner in my book, but I really feel like the American cookie set it over the edge and it was just such a classic taste. Don't forget to check out the description box below and go follow me on my social medias. I have a special post that I do on them almost every Saturday, so make sure to go check those out. Go to my website, which is also linked in the description, where you can watch my videos, contact me. There's so many cool things, you should go check it out. The final link down in the description is to my store that's in my website. There you can get all the things that I use in my videos. Also, while you're down there, subscribe, like this video, comment down below. Maybe comment down below on something you would also like me to do, another part 1, part 2 of chocolate versus vanilla. And then don't forget to share this with your friends. We're so close to getting 100 subscribers. We're about 40 away and I know we can do this. With you Baking and Buttercream viewers, we can get those extra 40 subscribers. Alright, have a great day.